Good afternoon and welcome to Lisbon, Massimo, and welcome to the Web Summit. It's great to have you here. So Massimo, as Head of Business Development at BANCOMAT and also member of Empsa, I would like to put you some questions also on how you are seeing the payments landscape in Europe and for your company also. So what do you see as the most significant trends and also challenges in the payments across Europe, and how are these trends shaping the future of European payments?
So, first of all, thank you, Teresa, for inviting me and Bancomat in this important event. So, talking about trends in Europe, I would say first of all digitalization, because so the data are pretty clear, the transition is already there, accelerated, and it requires to have a new digital solution, including the new solution in terms of mobile payments. Second one is regulatory changes. So on one side, European institutions open to new players, third parties to, let's say, promote and foster competition at the European level, but on the other side are also addressing such initiatives like Digital Euro. The third one could be e-commerce for sure. So e-commerce transactions are increasing and pushing for new, especially digital mobile solution, including safe technology and fast and convenience for our customers. In terms of challenges, I would say first of all trust. Trust, with this evolution in terms of technology, we need to conquer and maintain the trust of our consumers, because it links, it's linked also to new cyber security threats and attacks that comes and emerge with this new technology, and we should very good to protect, let's say, this environment. That's for sure something more to be added, that is also the fragmentation of payment system in Europe on one side, because there are, let's say, different approaches and different contexts in the several countries, but also because for different stories, let me say local stories, consumers have different preferences. What is important is to find what is the standard and try to make it the European standard.
So very, very good overview of what's been going on and all the trends that we see and all the challenges that we see going forward. So what key areas of innovation and also of investment do you see BANCOMAT focusing on to drive success in Europe?
First of all, so you know that we are working on a new strategic business plan, and so our priority will be to invest first of all on partnership. We need to create a new ecosystem around us to be more and more central. So we need, let's say, fintechs, retailers, tech providers working with us with the objective to be central in terms of multi-services offer in Italy. A second area of investment will be for sure user experience and let's say everything is connected to app design, because we should be easy to be used by our consumers, so to make the onboard process easier, to make seamless, let's say, all the usage of the app itself, to streamline the payment flow. So this will be the focus in terms of user experience. Then let me add that you can have the best products, the best user experience as well, but it needs to be known and adopted and then used by our customers. So we will invest a lot on awareness through campaigns in Italy, and communication as well. Another area of investment will be interoperability. So we are here for that, and it will be very important that our ability to make people in Italy pay in an easy and fast way could expand also over our borders, and this initiative that is EuroPA goes into that direction.
So very nice to see that you want to be every time more relevant to your users, both locally and cross-border with BANCOMAT. So that's very nice to hear. And how will the Europa initiative that was just announced, and so we were on stage announcing the first transactions to a mobile phone number between MBWay, Bizum and BANCOMAT, how do you see that contributing to shaping the future landscape of European payments?
So the real mission of EuroPA, according to me, according to us, is to connect people from different countries. Now we are 3, I'm sure we will become more and more. Of course, we must use the standards defined at the European level that is mailing, SCT, Inst. But the real challenge for us, and we are doing it, I think, very well, is to translate what is a standard based on IBAN at the end of the story in something retail, something easy, simple, fast for our customers. I try to explain better. Spanish, Italian and Portuguese citizens will be able to transfer, to send money to each other only knowing the mobile phone number of the receiver. This is really simple, this is really easy to be understood. So we are very positive about this initiative for the simplicity of the tool that we are proposing. And then let me add that at European level it's very positive that each country could work on that, remaining also keeping also the ownership of the technology itself. So I'm sure that this initiative will be accepted, and many countries will join in the next month, and to be together and make it a reality at European level.
Thank you very much. I'm sure that it will be great to see all the users across Europe being connected. So I'm really much also very looking forward to it. And thank you very much, Massimo, for sharing your thoughts.
Thank you too, Teresa.
Thank you.